G'day, Mike here, Ocean Protect. Out here at lovely Silverdale, watching one of our Filterra systems actually running in the end of a storm event. You can see it's dried out, but we've still got some storm flow coming here. So if you see the bubbler just over here, rising up out of the bubbler from the distribution network upstream about 100 metres away, and you can see there it's going over the top of the mulch layer, which obviously is not flooding because you can't see any there, through the system, and then down through to the under drain in here. So we're getting nice good storm flow. We do have an OceanGuard protecting the system just in case there's any mulch that sort of gets away, and you can see here there's no mulch in the bottom, so the system's functioning as per design, no flooding mulch, and the backup is evidence and proof by that. For more, go and check out oceanprotect.com.au/Filterra.